Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Microsoft Excel. Start by launching Microsoft Excel, typically found on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once open, you'll want to create a new blank workbook, which is your canvas for data. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the ribbon at the top, where all your tools are organized. You can also personalize your quick access toolbar for one-click access to your favorite functions, saving you valuable time. Now let's configure your workbook. You can easily adjust column widths and row heights to make your data perfectly readable. Next, format your cells. For instance, set numbers as currency or dates as a specific format. Adding simple borders and shading can significantly improve visual organization. Remember to name your worksheets clearly, especially if you have multiple tabs for effortless navigation. With your workbook set up, it's time for data entry. You can type directly into cells or import information from other files. Excel's power truly shines with formulas. Start with basic arithmetic like SUM for totals or average for means. Learn about relative and absolute cell references. This is crucial for accurate calculations when copying formulas. The fill handle is a fantastic tool for extending patterns and formulas across many cells. Finally, saving and sharing your work is essential. Always save your workbook frequently to avoid losing any progress. Select the standard XLSX format for compatibility with modern Excel versions. When sharing, you can easily email your file or upload it to cloud services like OneDrive for collaborative access. For sensitive data, consider adding a password to protect your workbook, ensuring only authorized users can open it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.